Hey, future billionaires, this is your host, back again with another life-changing video. And today we re-dive in deep into a topic that is close to my heart, side hustles that can make you rich. As a kid, I had this lemonade stand, right? But my goal wasn't just to sell lemonade. My dream was to sell something that would eventually let me afford to fly to Dubai, which I did just a few years later. That's when I realized side hustles aren't just about extra cash, they're about unlocking dreams. They're the secret ingredient to turning ordinary days into extraordinary opportunities. You're thinking about starting a side hustle. Well, let me tell you, this isn't your average 9-to-5 gig. This is about embracing the entrepreneurial spirit and letting your creativity flow. Now, you might be wondering why bother with a side hustle when you've got school, exams, and everything else going on. Well, my friends, here's the deal. Side hustles aren't just about making money. They're about igniting your passion, discovering hidden talents, and carving out your unique path to success. So get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and embark on a journey that will change your life forever. Now, here's where things get really interesting. If you're a student, you're sitting on a gold mine. See? The game has changed. And in 2025, it's not enough to rely solely on traditional part-time jobs. You need to think outside the box, embrace innovation, and dive headfirst into the world of side hustles. Let's talk about the big bucks. The kind of money that can make your dreams come true. You don't have to wait for a hefty salary after graduation. You can start earning significant income right now with the power of side hustles. Think about it. With just a few hours a week, you can boost your bank account and fund your adventures. Pay for your education or simply enjoy some sweet financial freedom. Here's the thing. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to make this happen. We're talking about real-world skills that can open doors to exciting opportunities and connect you with a thriving global community of entrepreneurs. It is like having a secret weapon that sets you apart from the crowd and propels you ahead of the competition. Imagine waking up in your dorm room, fueled by the excitement of knowing that you're on the brink of something big. You fire up your laptop and get to work. Suddenly, you're connected with professionals from all corners of the globe, sharing ideas, exchanging tips, and collaborating on projects that matter. It's a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are as eager to succeed as you are. And the best part, you don't have to sacrifice your studies to make it happen. Side hustles offer the ultimate flexibility. It's your gig, your rules. Want to work late at night when the library is quiet? Go for it. Prefer to squeeze in a few hours during your lunch break? No problem. You're in control. But it's not just about the freedom. It's also about the impact. Imagine leaving your mark on the world by creating something truly special. Picture the satisfaction of watching your hard work pay off as you witness the growth of your venture. With side hustles, you're not just a cog in the machine. You're the creative force behind your own success. So my fellow future billionaires, the time is now. If you're ready to turn your dreams into reality and explore the limitless possibilities of side hustles, stick around because I am about to spill the beans on some of the best side hustle ideas out there. Get ready to discover how you can turn your passions into profits and unlock a world of financial freedom. Okay, so first things first. Before you dive into the world of side hustles, it's important to equip yourself with the right knowledge and mindset. The truth is, learning a valuable skill is like discovering a treasure chest filled with endless opportunities. When you invest in your personal growth and acquire a skill that's in demand, you open doors to a world of possibilities. Think of it this way. Knowledge is power, and skills are the keys that unlock the doors to success. By honing your abilities, you transform into a powerhouse of talent ready to conquer the marketplace. It's like leveling up in a thrilling adventure game, except in real life. And here's the kicker. You don't need to have everything figured out right from the start. It's okay to take baby steps and learn along the way. But how do you actually put this knowledge to work and turn it into cold, hard cash? I've got you covered there too. Selling your services to businesses is like being a superhero with a unique superpower. When you identify a pain point or a problem that businesses are facing and you have the skills to solve it, you become an invaluable asset. For example, if you've mastered the art of social media marketing, you can help businesses navigate the sometimes tricky world of online branding and engagement. Or if you're a coding whiz, you can assist companies in developing cutting-edge software solutions. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you the edge you need to shine in the competitive world of freelancing. Now, let me introduce you to the VIPs of side hustles, the high-income skills. These are the game changers that can skyrocket your earnings and set you apart from the crowd. Let's talk numbers. According to Glassdoor, the average hourly rate for many of these skills can range from $20 to $100 or more. That's right. You can earn top dollar by honing these skills and putting them to work. To give you some real-life examples, let's take a look at a few industries. First, there's digital marketing. As businesses scramble to establish their online presence, the demand for skilled marketers is higher than ever. Social media experts, SEO specialists, and paid advertising gurus are in hot demand. And guess what? Many of these roles can be done remotely, allowing you to work from anywhere you like. Next up, we have web development. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, businesses need websites that are not only visually appealing, but also user-friendly and highly functional. That's where you come in as a web developer. By mastering programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can craft stunning websites that help businesses thrive online. And let's not forget about graphic design. In a world where visual content reigns supreme, businesses need eye-catching designs that capture attention and convey their message effectively. Whether it's creating logos, branding materials, or marketing collateral, graphic designers play a vital role in shaping a company's visual identity. Now, here's the exciting part. These high-income skills can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Imagine working with leading companies, rubbing shoulders with industry professionals, and gaining insights that will propel your career to new heights. But wait, there's more. Acquiring these skills doesn't require breaking the bank. You can start learning today with free resources like books, online tutorials, and practice projects. It's all about investing in yourself and nurturing those talents. The best part? You don't have to wait until you graduate to dive in. Start exploring these high-income skills now. Experiment with different areas and discover what truly sparks your interest. Who knows? You might just stumble upon your passion and kickstart a fulfilling career that aligns perfectly with your skills and interests. And guess what? The journey doesn't have to be lonely. Reach out to mentors, join online communities, and network with fellow learners. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can make all the difference. Remember, acquiring these skills is an investment in your future. It's a chance to secure your financial well-being and pursue your dreams without limitations. So, my friends, don't settle for mediocrity. Embrace the challenge. Invest in yourself and watch as your career blossoms into something truly remarkable.